Hey sisters, remember those iconic early 2000s looks? The era when pop culture was at its peak and every music video was a visual feast? We're talking Britney, Christina, and the whole TRL era. Total Request Live was the heartbeat of pop culture, where fans would gather to see their favorite stars. Think frosted lips, glittery everything, and bold eyeliner. These were the hallmarks of Y2K beauty, a time when makeup was all about making a statement. That, my friends, is the magic of Y2K beauty. It was a time when makeup was not just about looking good, but about expressing your personality and creativity. This trend was all about embracing a playful, futuristic vibe. The early 2000s were filled with optimism and a sense of endless possibilities. It was a time of technological advancement and excitement for the new millennium. The world was changing rapidly, and so was the way we expressed ourselves through fashion and beauty. Makeup became a way to express this optimistic energy. People were not afraid to experiment with colors and textures, creating looks that were vibrant and full of life. Y2K makeup was all about pushing boundaries and having fun. It was a celebration of individuality and creativity, where everyone could be their own kind of beautiful. It wasn't about being perfectly polished. Instead, it was about embracing imperfections and making them a part of your unique style. Instead, it encouraged self-expression and individuality. Everyone had their own take on the trends, making the era rich with diverse styles and looks. From frosty eyeshadows to chunky glitter, it was a celebration of all things bold and playful. The more daring, the better. This era was a melting pot of trends, fueled by pop stars and music videos. Every new release brought with it a wave of inspiration and new looks to try. Everyone remembers those iconic music videos. They were more than just songs, they were cultural moments that defined a generation. They were like, totally major. These videos were the ultimate source of beauty inspiration, setting trends that would be followed by millions. Pop stars on the red carpet and in music videos became the ultimate beauty icons. Fans everywhere tried to mimic their looks, making Y2K beauty a global phenomenon. Beauty products from the early 2000s flew off the shelves as everyone wanted to capture that iconic look. It was a time when makeup was more than just a routine, it was an adventure. Friends would gather for group makeup sessions, sharing tips and tricks to perfect their Y2K looks. It was a social activity that brought people together. Makeup tutorials and beauty magazines were the go-to sources for the latest trends. Everyone wanted to stay updated and be a part of the Y2K beauty movement. Looking back, these iconic Y2K beauty moments fill us with nostalgia. They remind us of a time when beauty was all about fun, creativity, and self-expression. So, what exactly screams Y2K beauty? Picture this: frosty eyeshadows in cool tones like icy blue and shimmering lilac. These shades were the epitome of early 2000s glam, capturing the essence of a time when everything was about standing out and making a statement. The frosty blue eyeshadow was reminiscent of a winter wonderland, while the shimmering lilac added a touch of ethereal magic to any look. Now, add a generous dose of glitter. On the eyelids, yes, but also maybe on the lips, even the cheeks. Glitter was not just an accessory, it was a lifestyle. It was about catching the light from every angle, making sure you sparkled and shined wherever you went. The more glitter, the better. It was a time when subtlety took a back seat, and bold, dazzling looks were the norm. Don't forget the thin, arched eyebrows and super glossy lips. These were the hallmarks of Y2K beauty. Thin, meticulously plucked eyebrows framed the face, giving it a sleek, defined look. And those lips, glossy, almost mirror-like, they were the finishing touch to any Y2K-inspired makeup look. The glossier, the better. It was all about that high shine finish that made your lips look almost wet. And let's not forget the hair. Think chunky highlights, butterfly clips, and those zigzag partings. Hair was just as important as makeup in achieving that perfect Y2K look. Chunky highlights added dimension and a pop of color, while butterfly clips were the ultimate accessory, adding a playful, whimsical touch. And those zigzag partings? They were the epitome of cool, giving your hair a unique, edgy look that was unmistakably Y2K. The Y2K aesthetic was all about embracing a futuristic and playful vibe. It was a time when we thought flying cars were just around the corner. The fashion and beauty trends reflected this optimistic view of the future, with metallic fabrics, bold colors, and innovative designs. It was a blend of fantasy and reality, where the lines between the two were often blurred. Remember those silver puffer jackets? Totally tubular. These jackets were more than just a fashion statement. They were a symbol of the futuristic dreams of the Y2K era. Shiny, metallic, and eye-catching, they were the perfect outerwear to complement the bold makeup and hair trends of the time. This futuristic vision translated into the makeup trends of the time. Metallic finishes, iridescent shimmers, and bold color combinations were all the rage. Makeup was not just about enhancing natural beauty, it was about creating a look that was out of this world. The metallic finishes gave a space-age feel, the iridescent shimmers added a magical touch, and the bold color combinations ensured that you stood out in any crowd. It was a time of experimentation and self-expression, where the only rule was to be as bold and creative as possible. Guess what? Y2K is back, but with a modern twist. Think of it as Y2K 2.0. We're keeping the fun elements but ditching the things that, let's be real, haven't aged well. Instead of that super frosty look, try a more subtle shimmer. We're all about that healthy glow and those thin eyebrows. Let's embrace our natural brows, sisters. Today, we're all about inclusivity. Y2K 2.0 is about taking the fun, nostalgic elements and making them work for everyone. We're seeing more diverse interpretations of the trend. It's all about putting your own unique spin on these retro looks. Ready to unleash your inner pop princess? The Y2K glam look is all about embracing that early 2000s vibe with a modern twist. Think bold colors, shimmery finishes, and a whole lot of fun. Whether you're heading to a party or just want to switch up your everyday look, this guide will help you achieve that perfect Y2K glam without looking like you stepped out of a time capsule. Let's dive in. Here's how to rock Y2K makeup without looking like you stepped out of a time capsule. The key is to blend nostalgic elements with contemporary techniques. Step 1. Prep your canvas. This is the foundation of any great makeup look. Start with a clean, moisturized face. Cleansing your skin ensures that you have a fresh base to work on, and moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated and smooth. This step is crucial because it helps your makeup last longer and look more flawless. Apply a primer to create a smooth base for your makeup. Primer not only helps to even out your skin texture, but also ensures that your makeup stays put throughout the day. Choose a primer that suits your skin type, whether it's mattifying for oily skin or hydrating for dry skin. Step 2. It's all about the eyes. The eyes are the focal point of the Y2K look, so don't be afraid to go bold. Apply a shimmery eyeshadow in a cool tone like baby blue. This color is iconic for the Y2K era and adds a playful touch to your look. Lilac or silver all over your eyelid. These shades are perfect for creating that frosty, ethereal vibe that's so characteristic of Y2K glam. Use a fluffy brush to blend the edges for a soft, diffused look. Blending is key to avoid harsh lines and to make your eyeshadow look seamless and professional. Step 3. Line those eyes. Eyeliner is essential for defining your eyes and adding that extra pop. Use a black liquid eyeliner to create a sharp wing. The winged eyeliner look is timeless and adds a touch of drama to your eyes. You can go for a dramatic cat eye or a more subtle flick. The choice is yours. A dramatic cat eye is perfect for a night out, while a subtle flick is great for a more everyday look. Don't be afraid to experiment. Makeup is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Step 4. Mascara time. Mascara is the finishing touch that brings your eye look together. Apply 2 coats of volumizing mascara to your top and bottom lashes. This will make your lashes look fuller and more defined. For extra drama, add a few individual false lashes to the outer corners of your eyes. This trick gives your eyes a lifted, more open appearance and adds that extra wow factor to your look. Section 5. Let's talk eyeshadow. Shimmer and shine, baby. Remember, the key to modernizing Y2K eyeshadow is to avoid going overboard with the frost. Instead of packing on a super shimmery shadow, opt for a more subtle sheen. You can also use a matte eyeshadow in the crease to add depth and dimension. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors. Y2K was all about embracing bright, playful hues. Play around with pastel pinks, electric blues, and even neon greens. You can wear these colors on your eyelids, in your crease, or even as a pop of color on your lower lash line. Section 6. Line it up, graphic liner for a playful touch. Graphic eyeliner is a hallmark of Y2K makeup, and it's making a major comeback. For a modern take, try a graphic liner look using a bright colored eyeliner. Think vibrant blues, pinks, or even yellows. Start by drawing a thin line along your upper lash line, then get creative. You can create a double wing, a floating liner, or even geometric shapes. Graphic liner is all about expressing your individuality and having fun with makeup. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what looks best on you. Section 7. Glossy lips, your pout will thank you. No Y2K makeup look is complete without a glossy lip. Look for lip glosses with a high shine finish. You can also layer your lip gloss over a lipstick for a more pigmented look. Remember those iconic frosted lipsticks? They're back, but with a modern twist. Instead of going for a super frosty finish, opt for a lipstick with a subtle shimmer or a metallic sheen. You can even find lip glosses with glitter for an extra touch of sparkle. Section 8. Blush and bronze, finishing touches for a fresh-faced glow. While Y2K makeup often focused on the eyes and lips, blush and bronzer can add a touch of warmth and dimension to your look. Instead of heavy contouring, use a bronzer to lightly sculpt your cheekbones and temples. Apply a peachy pink blush to the apples of your cheeks for a youthful flush. Remember, the key is to keep it light and natural looking. We're going for a fresh-faced glow, not a heavy, made-up look. Section 9. Unleash your inner pop princess, own the Y2K revival. So there you have it, sisters. Y2K makeup is back and better than ever. It's all about embracing nostalgia with a modern twist. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and most importantly, make it your own. Remember, makeup is all about self-expression and creativity. Now go out there and rock those frosty shadows, graphic liners, and glossy lips. Show the world your inner pop princess. And don't forget to tag me in your Y2K makeup selfies. I can't wait to see your amazing creations. Bye, sisters.